In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use z-index in Elementor. Whether you're a seasoned web designer or just dipping your toes into the world of website building, understanding how to effectively use z-index in Elementor can really elevate your design skills. So, let's dive right in and walk through this process together. First off, you'll want to start by selecting any element within your Elementor design. This could be a widget, a column, a container, or even an entire section. Understanding which element you need to adjust is crucial because z-index is all about layering and positioning elements precisely in your design layout. Now, once you've got your element selected, the next step is to head over to the Advanced Settings tab. Within the Advanced tab, you'll see an option labeled Positioning. This is where we begin the process of setting up the z-index. Once here, you need to ensure that your element's position is set appropriately. It's important to note that the z-index property won't work if your element's position is set to static. This might seem a bit technical, but essentially, static is the default position where the element will sit in the normal document flow. It doesn't change the structuring. So, for the z-index to take effect, you want to make sure the position is set to either relative or absolute. The relative option keeps the element in the normal flow but allows for some movement, while absolute removes the element from the flow, giving you more intentional control over its placement. After adjusting the position setting, it's time to set a numeric value for the z-index. This number determines the stacking order, which is essentially the depth position compared to other elements. Think of it as layers of paper on a desk. The higher the number, the closer that paper is to the top of the pile. Feel free to experiment here with numbers like 10, 99, or even 999. There isn't a specific number that's inherently better. The key is to ensure it aligns with your design intentions, allowing that element to stand out or recede as needed. Once you've inputted a value you're happy with, the final step is to save your changes and head to the preview mode. Previewing allows you to see the changes in action and confirms whether the layering and adjustment meet your expectations. This step is all about ensuring that your design vision comes to life as precisely as you had imagined. And there you have it, the steps to effectively use z-index in Elementor. It may take a little practice, but mastering this will give you more flexibility and control over intricate design aspects of your website. So, go ahead and try it out in your own projects and watch your layouts become more dynamic and visually appealing. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing.